Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to make crochet earrings. So we are going to make this pattern of crochet earrings. It's look pretty good. Only thing you need to buy is like of course yarn and hook will be there. But this earring hook you will get it anywhere in market, like online within market, and it's very cheap. You get a pack of many pair of those hooks. While making crochet earrings, try to take yarn a bit silky, like it gives you a good texture and good look. Okay, now the crochet hook I'm using here is 1.4 mm. So we get stitches quite thin and it's like it looks good. And as I told you, try to use some a silky yarn. Okay, let's start now. Now what we will do, we will just round up the yarn on our fingertip. Make 3 rounds. Okay, now holding those 3 rounds, try to make 2 knots. So like the ring we are getting by making those rounds, those threads don't go here and there, and it's like get a proper ring. After that, every time we will insert a crochet hook within that ring and yarn over, pull through and make single crochet stitches all around the ring. So we get a nice broad ring. Okay, but every time we need to insert a hook inside that yarn, then yarn over and pull through. Simple single crochet stitches we will be taking, and we will make as many as stitches till our first and the last stitch are coming one beside the other. We have to just go on taking single crochet stitches till our first and the last stitch, they come one beside the other. I'll just complete this and I'll show you how it looks. We get a nice broad ring then. Please ignore background noise. My kids are playing. That's why I'm so sorry. Now see, our last stitch and the first stitch both are coming one beside the other. Now we will just make a slip stitch. We will join our first and the last stitch with the help of a slip stitch. And see how broad ring we are getting. It looks good also in the ring. So here we complete our first round. Now for the second round, see, this is a slip stitch. Here we complete our first round. Okay. Now for second round, our pattern will be, for first stitch we will make 1/2 double crochet stitch, and next stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitch in one stitch itself. So pattern is going to be 1 2 1 2 all over the round. And as usual, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So just remember, in first stitch you are making 1/2 double crochet, so next stitch it will be 2 half double crochet in one single stitch itself. Then again 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So I'll just show you how it looks. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. See, any of you are having any kind of problem, any confusion regarding the single crochet stitch or half double crochet stitch, link is already given in the description. I have already placed tutorial videos of how to make single stitch crochet, how to make half double crochet stitch, and those are quite simple videos, simple to understand, easily explained. So you can just go through them. You can get those links in description. See, now I have almost done with my second round. As I told you, I have taken 1 2 1 2 pattern of half double crochet. Once in one stitch I have taken one half double crochet stitch, and in next stitch I have taken two half double crochet stitch, then again one, again two. So this is how the second round after completion looks like. By end, I'll just pull the yarn and insert my hook, my earring hook, and just tie it up. I'll make a slip stitch and then tie it up. So here completes our ring. It is quite simple, very easy to make, and you can make in as many of colors you have. Each and every color will look good, and you can decorate it more, like you can use beads or whatever you get in market, or whatever you wish to use on it, pearls. So this is how it looks. If you want to leave it like this, then also it is looking good. You want to you want to put beads on it, pearls on it, stones on it, whatever, it is going to look pretty good, awesome. I'll just show you in pair how do they look. See how pretty they are looking, and we just took 5 minutes to make it. Okay, so if you like the video, please do like my video, comment, share, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And who have already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And please do subscribe to my channel Sanjs Aasha. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.